From asterisk opening scene, upbeat music playing, buy smart logo animation asterisk. Asterisk, excitedly asterisk asterisk. Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you dodge those regrettable purchases like a pro. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. That's right, folks, the future is here, and it's ready to clean up your mess. On the left, we have the Eureka E10s, and on the right, the eufy X10 Pro Omni. Let's see which one can suck up more than just our expectations. Dramatic voice asterisk. First off, let's talk about the price. Eureka E10s comes in at a cool $699, while the eufy X10 Pro Omni is flexing its $799 price tag. Eureka's trying to save you $100 here, but will that Benjamin stay with you or end up in the vacuum's belly? Let's find out. Eureka E10s boasts a bagless, self-emptying station. No more splurging on dust bags, saving you up to $70 a year. It's like a vacuum that moonlights as a financial advisor. On the other hand, the eufy X10 Pro Omni has an all-in-one station that empties its dust bin into a 2.5L bag, which you replace every 2 months. Eureka says, skip the bags, while eufy says, let's keep it classy with bags. Who's the real hero here? You decide. Now, let's talk about suction power. Eureka E10s packs a 4,000 pascals punch. It's like the vacuum equivalent of a heavyweight boxer. Eufy X10 Pro Omni, however, is the Eufy's here to chew bubblegum and suck up dirt, and it's all out of bubblegum. Both these vacuums have brains, but who's the Einstein here? Eureka E10s uses precision LiDAR navigation, avoiding obstacles like a ninja and reducing cleaning time. Eufy X10 Pro Omni counters with AI. See smart cleaning and iPath laser navigation. This guy can identify over 100 different objects, including your lost socks and that toy your dog hid under the couch. Eureka's like a smart student, but Eufy's the valedictorian. Eureka E10s isn't just about sucking, it mops too. It detects carpets and lifts the mop to avoid soggy disasters. Dual brush heads add more power to its sweeping game. Eufy X10 Pro Omni, with its MopMaster 2.0, spins its dual mop pads at 180 rotations per minute with 1 kilogram of downward pressure. It's like a Zumba instructor for your floors. When it detects carpet, it lifts the mop by 12 millimeters. Eureka's good, but Eufy's got the mop moves like Jagger. Both vacuums let you play God with their apps. Eureka's full customized app control lets you set no-go zones and cleaning schedules like a boss. Eufy's AI Map 3.0 allows you to create virtual boundaries and customize cleaning scenarios. Eureka's app is like a good intern, efficient and reliable. Eufy's app, though, is like your personal assistant who knows what you need before you even ask. Just note, eufy only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Sorry, 5 GHz enthusiasts. Finally, let's talk about stamina. Eureka E10s boasts an extreme runtime of up to 180 minutes. It's the marathon runner of vacuums. Eufy X10 Pro Omni didn't specify its runtime, but with all its features, it's probably like the decathlete of the vacuum world. Eureka can clean your whole house in one go, but will eufy keep up? The mystery adds to the thrill. Reviewers love the Eureka E10s for its reasonable price, effective navigation, and user-friendly app. It's great for maintaining clean floors and carpets. However, some users noted it struggles with deep cleaning and has issues with water and dust containers filling up quickly. On the other hand, the eufy X10 Pro Omni is praised for its exceptional suction power, quiet operation, and advanced navigation. Pet owners especially appreciate its ability to handle pet fur. Despite its size and noise, users find its hands-free features and robust cleaning performance worth the investment. Asterisk closing scene. Standing center screen. Upbeat music playing asterisk. So, there you have it, folks. Eureka E10s and eufy X10 Pro Omni, two titans of the robot vacuum world. Eureka's got the price and bagless self-emptying station, while eufy brings the heat with its suction power and mopping prowess. Which one will you choose to be your home's new best friend? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more smart buying tips. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart. From asterisk closing scene. Buy smart logo animation. Upbeat music fades out asterisk. Asterisk end of video asterisk.